Hello guys, if you want to get a transparent control center on your iPhone, keep watching this video because today I'll show you exactly how to enable this feature on your device. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, scroll down and tap on general. Next, tap on software update. Here you need to install the latest version of iOS 26. Once you install iOS 26 on your iPhone, the transparent control center will appear automatically because it is a default feature in iOS 26. To install iOS 26 and get the transparent control center, you must have one of these iPhone. If you have one of these devices but the beta version of iOS 26 is not appearing on your phone, don't worry, I have made a detailed video explaining how to install the beta version of iOS 26. You'll find the link in the description below, make sure to check it out.